Hello guys, welcome once again to my class of English grammar. Hope that you all must be studying at home. Very good, well done. Okay, and but carry on studying. Guys, I request you who did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon. If you have any advice for me, please go to the comment box and just drop an advice. Okay, now come. Today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn about the article, guys. A and the. Okay. Now in our previous class we have already studied from standard 1 to we have already studied. Okay. Now but in this class in standard 7 also, even because it is very important subject and chapter, we have to go through this. Now come. Standard 7 exercise 2. Now guys, before starting our chapter, we are going to learn in a systematically about the article and its kind, about its uses, about the omitted, where we have to use proper article, where we have not to use article. Carry on watching my videos till the end, because in the end, I request you all that I am going to give you some homework for you. Okay, come let us start. Articles, the words A and D. Okay, A and D are articles here. Articles are determiners and point out the nouns. But article, it is used before any noun. Guys, one thing I request you to please carry on watching my video very carefully. Okay. Now they are always placed before noun. They are used before any noun. There are two types of noun. First is indefinite and second is definite. Okay. The first indefinite articles a and the is called indefinite, and the. Okay. The definite articles is the here, and indefinite article is a and. Okay, now come back here. Indefinite articles. Remember guys, if you have a copy with you, if you have notebook, just copy this all in your notebook, because it is very important chapter, guys. If you did not make your copy yet, fair copy. If you did not make your fair copy yet, please guys, I request you to please note it down in the fair copy in a good writing. Indefinite article. They are used before common, singular and countable noun. They are used before common, singular and countable noun. Next is definite articles. The definite articles the used to refer to specific noun. Okay. Now guys, be very careful guys from here. I request you all to concentrate and sit down and watch the full video, guys. Okay. Now come here. Using the indefinite article a and, where we have to use. First point I have noted here. A is used before nouns that begins with a consonant sound. Consonant sound, guys. Consonant sound. Vowel sound and consonant sound. How many alphabets are there? There are 26 alphabet, A to Z, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. Okay. Now, in that alphabet, there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U we keep in the vowel and rest is in the consonant, guys. Okay, so consonant sound. Next is and is used before nouns that begins with a vowel sound. And I will make you understand, guys. There are words that begins with the consonants but are pronounced with a vowel sound, such as candidates. Okay, like MA, LPG, MLA, such words take article and. Now I am going to make you understand, guys. First point, A is used before noun that begins with a consonant sound. Consonant sound. Suppose that I am writing here fill in the blanks. You have to fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with A oblique and. Okay, or no article. Before starting this, one thing more you have to be careful. In the before, I have told you that should be countable. Okay, now come back here. Suppose that dash pen. Dash pen. See, the first point is written here. A is used before nouns that begins with a consonant sound. Vowel, keep this in your mind. Vowel A, E, I, O, U. This is a E, I, O, U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the vowel, rest is consonant. Okay, see the first letter is here. Pen. Pen is a starting with consonant sound. So, a pen. Suppose that question is dash pens. First you have to see that is it in singular or plural. If the question is in plural, no article is used there. No article, pens. Okay, dash book, BWK, book. Here, the word book is starting in consonant or vowel. Consonant, so a book. Okay, suppose that books. See then, it's plural here. So what we are going to use here? A and no article. Yes, very good. No article. Strike it off. Is it clear? Next, dash. Acha. Come back here. And is used before nouns that begins with a vowel sound. Begins with a vowel sound. See then. Dash vowel sound. How many vowels are there? I told you vowels are 5. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels here. Dash apple. A double P, L, E, apple. See the first word. It is coming in the vowel sound. Vowel is here. And apple. Suppose that dash apples. A double P, L, E, S. Dash apples. Is it singular or plural? Plural. No article is used here. It is very easy, guys. Dash orange, O-R-A-N-G-E. See that? First see that is it in, the question is in singular or plural. Singular, go to the second step, go to the pronunciation. Okay, O is here. That means it is coming in the vowel sound. That means an orange. Suppose dash orange, plural, strike it off, finished. Okay, next, there are words that begins with a consonants but are pronounced with a vowel sound. Pronounced with a vowel sound, such as abbreviation. There are some abbreviation, guys. Suppose that dash MA, LPG, MLA. Such words take the article and. Why? What is the reason behind it? The reason is that we have to catch the pronunciation. The pronunciation should come, begins with the vowel sound. Begins with the vowel sound. This is the reason. Because before using any article in the abbreviation, we have to see the pronunciation. M-A. Okay, M-A. It is starting with the M. So, and M-A. MLA, MLA. See the pronunciation. This is starting with the A, M. Okay, MLA. Dash NCC, National Cadet Corps. This is National Cadet Corps. NCC, and NCC. So then LPG, LA. It is coming in the sound of vowel sound. LPG and LPG. Is it clear? Fantastic. Clear? Now guys, okay, one thing more guys. Remember, suppose that we were talking about A, the uses of A and I. Suppose that one question is from my side. Dash ink. Dash ink. What are you going to use here? What you have to do? You can. This is your option. A and or no article. What are you doing? What is your mind saying here? Suppose that you are seeing the first word that yes, the first word belongs to the vowel sound. So I will use here and then your answer is wrong here. Because ink is a material noun and in material noun no article is used. Always remember that. Suppose that dash milk, we don't write oh milk or and milk. Milk is white. Okay? Done. Now definite articles. The definite articles the definite articles the is used to refer to a specific noun. Okay, we use the with. First is point wise I have written here. I am trying my level best to make you understand guys. Okay, nouns that have been used earlier in the sentence. For example, I have written here, my sister is making a film. My sister is making a film. See here, my sister is making a film. The film is on Nepalese folk art. Okay, see, film has been used here. Okay, now what has been said here? Nouns that have been used earlier. Okay, noun is here. My sister is making a film, and again in the full stop is given here. And here also the film has been used here. So this is a film is a noun here. So before that, the is used here. The film is an Nepalian or Nepalese folk art. Okay, now ordinals like ordinal numbers guys. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, 11, 12. Before that we use the here. Okay, ordinals number like second, third, next, fourth, fifth, further. Okay. Dr. Radhakrishnan was the second. See, second has been used here. Second. Ordinal numbers has been written here. Dr. Radhakrishnan was the second president of India. Ordinal. Before that, the has been used here. Okay. Come. Next one point here. A common noun representing a class. Tiger. Tiger is the national animal of India. Okay, so it has been here, common noun here. Tiger is a common noun. Before that, we have used here, the tiger is the national animal of India. It is representing a class here. It is representing a class here. Now guys, pay attention here. Before the names of, where we use the. Okay. Group of countries. Before any group of countries, always remember guys, group of countries, the European Union, the United Kingdom, the USA. Okay, next go to the next one. Mountain range. Okay, the Western Ghats, the Himalayas. Okay, before any peak also even you can use the here. Before any rivers, before any oceans, you can use. Before the bay, any bay, suppose that Bay of Bengal, we use the Bay of Bengal, the Bay of Aral, etc. Now, famous buildings, before the names of the famous building, suppose that for example, the White House, the Parliament, etc. Next, holy books and epics, the Bhagavad Gita, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Mahabharata, the Gita, etc. Next, families, before any families, the Bhartis, the Pauls, the Kumars, the Singhs family are very rich, suppose. Okay, next, titles, award and honors. Titles, awards and honors. Example, the Paramvir Chakra, the Padma Bhushan Award, the Nobel Prize. Okay, guys, I'm repeating once again, and plus I'm requesting you all, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, guys, and carry on watching my video. Please share my video, like my video. If any advice, please go to the comment box, drop some message. Always I am waiting for you, and thank you once again that you are messaging one. I'm trying my level best to follow your advice. Okay? And but carry on. Guys, one thing more, I request you to please download the PDF, because all the homeworks has been given in your PDF. Complete your homework, make the fair copy, write in a neat writing, clean writing. Even you can mention the date. Is it clear?